Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day in one of my classes we got talking about the different jobs that we'd all done, and I mentioned to my class the fact that when I first left school I did a stint working in a pickle factory, which was particularly grim and particularly depressing, but which on the plus side did encourage me that maybe there was more future in going to university than there was in spending the next 40 years of my life on the shop floor of a pickle factory. When I told my students this story, one of them looked quite confused and said, "How many times have you left school?" And I realised that there was possibly something confusing about the expression "when I first left school," because it suggests that maybe there was a second time I left school and a third time. And I'd never thought about this particular expression before, but obviously it doesn't mean I've left school multiple times. It means in the first time around when I left school. And we often use it in when I phrases. So you might say things like, when I first met my husband, I didn't actually like him very much. It took a while for us to get to know each other properly. When I first moved to the capital, I found it all a bit overwhelming. It freaked me out a bit. But now I've been here 30 years and I'm fine. Maybe you might say, when I first started teaching, I suffered from terrible imposter syndrome. I kept thinking people would realise that I wasn't a real teacher. I know that might seem hard to believe now. And you also often see this structure in song titles. So you get things like, when I first came to town, when I first laid eyes on you, September, when I first met you. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use when I first